Gobs of money and a heap of opportunity are left on the table every day because people either A, they don't have a deliberate, authentic strategy for building comfort and rapport with people, or B, they simply don't know the tactics for creating these. In this episode, I'm going to give you a ridiculously easy roadmap for building comfort and rapport with people right away to help you streamline success in everything you do. Welcome to Build Smart Connections. Hey, if you're new to our channel, welcome, and please subscribe because this is where I share tools and strategies to make your influence count in every business and personal interaction. Why? Because life goes fast. You know, the quality of a product might speak for itself, but somewhere along the way, an interaction takes place that puts that product before a decision maker. And if that interaction goes poorly, then that product may lose its perceived quality and its potential for buy-in. So let's talk strategy. Comfort is people feeling good about themselves when they are around you. And rapport is a harmonious connection in which people or groups concerned understand each other's feelings or ideas and communicate well. So if we are all in the relationship business first, then think of building comfort and rapport as the gateway to greater opportunities. Here are simple tips that work, but surprisingly, they are infrequently implemented. Oh, and for those of you who know you're already pretty good at building comfort and rapport, I would still challenge you to put your self-assessment cap on and ask, where can I up my game? Number one, proactively introduce yourself by name and greet people with genuine warmth. And this means go first. Human behavior is contagious, so the faster you open up, the faster others are likely to do the same. In this episode, I said, treat each person like he or she is the most important person on earth because to that person, they are. I cannot emphasize enough that we are emotional beings that like to be accepted, respected, and appreciated. So how you approach others often determines the result of that encounter. The second tool for building comfort and rapport immediately, be connected and fully present. I'm the first one to admit it's easier than ever to be distracted, but being too preoccupied, especially with smartphones, can not only hurt first-time encounters, it can actually damage existing relationships, even if they were once solid. Again, people want to be respected and attended to more than they will admit. Plus, think about how it feels when others do this to you.
So anyway, I walked up to the stage, and there it was, right at the top.
Keep that up, and you know what? The other person might use their finger too, but it might not be their index finger. Number three, ask people their opinion and listen with full engagement. What's vital here is to demonstrate verbal and nonverbal interest in the entire dialogue, from how you ask the question to how they answer it. Whether it be how to handle a complex project or discussing a new business idea, ask other people what they think. What would they do? In this episode, How to Get to Success Faster, I spoke about the importance of making others an executive advisor. Ask for specific examples and suggestions that will help you get better and thank them for their input. Because when you ask people their opinion, you show respect, you learn something, and you empower them as a person of importance. And tip four, discover and capture people's interest beyond the workplace. Showing value for the overall person, not just the workplace soldier, may be the most powerful weapon for building comfort and rapport quickly, but also creating a lifetime of opportunity and memories. I remember facilitating an off-site meeting in Cincinnati years ago, and I had everyone partner up together and they had to fill out a questionnaire about each other, but none of the questions could be anything related to business, only personal interest and passions beyond the workplace. Then each participant had to get up and present what they learned about their partners to the overall group. And I'll never forget when a gentleman named Roy got up and he said, I just realized I'm not the leader I thought I was because I learned more in 20 minutes with Tim than I have in 15 years of working with him. How about you? Are you all business, or could you be a little bit more deliberate about getting to know people beyond the workplace? Because the thing to remember...
Excuse me, Big Joe.
Hey, little Joe, what's up, buddy?
I feel delicious. I was wondering if I could ask the audience a question.
You bet. Fire away.
Okay, on a scale from 1 to 10, 1 being putrid, 10 being phenomenal, what would you rank yourself when it comes to creating an environment that puts people at ease right away? Please put your answers below.
Great question, little Joe. And you know, he's right. We would love to know if these tips have helped you, and what else do you do to build comfort and rapport right away? Thanks for watching. Please smash that like button and ring that bell so you can be notified on all of our videos. And don't forget,
live it, love it, do it, profit.